Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about the need of mobile app in 2023 as AI-powered websites are blooming in the market daily basis. AI-powered websites can have an impact on apps in several ways. Number 1, improved user experience. AI-powered websites can provide a more personalized and engaging user experience, which could potentially lead to decreased usage of traditional apps. For example, an AI-powered website may use machine learning to understand user behavior and preferences, and provide relevant content and recommendations in real time. This could potentially eliminate the need for a separate app, as users can access the same content and features directly from the website. Number 2, increased competition. As AI-powered websites become more prevalent and offer more advanced features and functionality, they could potentially compete with traditional apps for users' attention and usage. This could make it harder for new apps to gain traction in the market, especially if they don't offer any unique or differentiated value. Number 3, integration opportunities. On the other hand, AI-powered websites could also offer integration opportunities for apps, particularly those that are focused on specific niche markets or functionality. For example, an AI-powered e-commerce website could potentially integrate with a shipping or logistics app to provide seamless order fulfillment and tracking for customers.